Hey friends, so I quickly wanted to go over the activities for Tuesday and Wednesday. Since I will not be here, I just wanted to give you a heads up of what's going to happen. So this is our first worksheet and it's called Same or Different. So what you guys have to do for each row, you guys have to figure out which two are the same. And then you're going to take your crayons and you're going to color only those two. So let's look at the first one. We have this one. Look, so those two are not the same. Now we have this one. Does this look like any of those? Nope. What about this one? Does this one look like any of these? Yeah, look, these little things, these are the same. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your crayon and you're going to color the two flowers that look the same. Okay, so you're only coloring two things in each row, like this. Okay, because those two look the same. So let's go down to the next one. We have insects, right? So we have to find the two that look the same. So do you see any that look like this? Nope. Do you see any that look like this? Nope. What about this one? Yeah, these two are the same. So go ahead and get your crayon and go ahead and color the two that are the same. Okay? And I'm going to continue and I'm going to do these two. You can pause the video and do it on your own and then start it back up when you're done. So I'm finding the two that match. And then same for the last one. Find the two that are the same. Now look closely, okay? Find the ones that look identical. Alright, and this is what your paper should look like. You only colored the ones that look alike or the same. So this is worksheet number 1 for the morning. You guys can do this whenever. Second worksheet, which would be our project of the day, we're doing a springtime pattern worksheet. So on the bottom, the first thing you guys have to do is go ahead and cut with your scissors, cut those bottom pieces off. Straight off the bottom, so you're left with that. And then cut out your little squares, just like that. Okay. Cut out each piece, and once you're done with that, you can get started on finishing your patterns. So our patterns start off easy and then they get harder as we go through. So let's look at the first one. We have kite, duck, duck, kite. What comes in between those two ducks? So you can look ahead of the duck and see what was right here, or you can look behind this duck and see what was right here. So what do you think is there? Do you think we're going to put another duck? No. We're going to put a kite. So it will go kite, duck, kite, duck, kite. Okay? So go ahead and take your kite, get that glue, and glue it on. And this is what you're going to do for the entire paper. Okay? So let's continue. We have flower, blank, flower, flower pot, flower. So what's going to go in between those two flowers? Is it going to be this flower? No, that doesn't even fit there. Is it going to be the duck? No, because look, there are no ducks in this pattern. It's going to be flower pot. So it'll be flower, flower pot. Flower, flower pot, flower. Okay, take that glue, glue it on. Oh, Stephanie can't get her glue out. There you go. And glue that flower pot on. And you guys can do these. These are simple. It's just different because the blank is not at the end, it's in the middle. Okay? So this time we have flower, sun. Flower, sun, flower. That one's at the end, so that one's easy for you guys. So go ahead and put your flower there at the end. Now I'm going to do the next two. I want you to pause the video and do it on your own. So go ahead and hit pause, and I'm going to keep going, and you guys are going to keep going. The next two are very easy. Okay, so now that you've finished, this is what it should look like. So our last two was umbrella, butterfly, umbrella, butterfly, umbrella. So our missing piece was our umbrella. And our last one was frog, duck, frog, duck, frog. So our missing piece was duck. Okay, so one more time, these are the two activities that you're doing, the morning and the afternoon, okay, for Tuesday. And I will post another video for Wednesday so you guys know what exactly to do. So I'll see you later. Bye, friends.